Welcome back, class. We're going to be talking about ratios. And a ratio is a way of comparing numbers by division. Often ratios are written as a fraction and the terms are written top to bottom. So let's look at an example. If there were 12 boys and 18 girls in a class, the ratio of boys to girls is 12 to 18. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to need to do is make our division bar. And let's use words to set up our ratio. So if you look over here, it says boys to girls. So we want to put boys as the numerator and we want to put girls as the denominator. So let's look at what this is going to look like as a fraction. If there were 12 boys, so 12 needs to go on top, and 18 girls in the class. The next thing we need to do is 12 eighteenths needs to be reduced. So I think about all of my factors of 12. So I know that I can divide 1 and 12, 2 and 6, 3 and 4, and 18. I can divide 1 and 18, 2 and 9, 3 and 6, and get 18. I know that my greatest common factor is 6. So I'm going to divide both the top number and the bottom number by 6. And I end up with 2 over 3. So the ratio of boys to girls in the class is 2 to 3. Okay, our next problem is there are 12 apples and 16 oranges. What is the ratio between oranges to apples? So let's draw our division bar and use our words. So oranges to apples, oranges becomes the numerator, apples becomes the denominator. I want you to look at this. In the sentence, it starts by telling us how many apples. But when they're asking for the ratio, they want oranges first. So we need to go back and be sure we put 16 oranges on the top and 12 apples on the bottom. And that reduces to 4 over 3. So we have 4 oranges to 3 apples. I would like to point out, I know that this looks like an improper fraction, but on ratios, do not simplify. That's really, really important. You do not want to make that an improper mixed number. That is really, really important because ratios always stay written in the fraction form. There are 20 prairie dogs and 30 jackrabbits in a section of the High Plains. And there are 8 red socks and 10 blue socks in George's drawer. If you have any questions, ask tomorrow in class.